Hi guys, welcome back to our channel Quick Guide. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to know your Zoom meeting password or passcode. So without further ado, let's jump right into the video. Firstly, host your Zoom meeting. It might take a while, so please have patience. Now, as soon as you host your Zoom meeting, all you have to do is look on the top left corner of your screen and you'll find green check. Just click here. And here you will find your passcode of your Zoom meeting, which is this. So that's how you find your Zoom meeting password or passcode. That's it for today guys. If you find this video helpful, then don't forget to give thumbs up, comments and feedbacks would be appreciated. Subscribe to our channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon so that I can come up with new videos like this. Thank you for watching. Have a great time.